Good morning, children. Today we are here to study Unit 11 Heat of ninth class. As we are in process of completing this particular topic, let me recapitulate what we have studied in previous class. We have defined clearly what is meant by boiling point of a liquid and what is meant by latent heat of liquid, latent heat of fusion or vaporization also we have discussed. And the process of conversion of in CGS, what will be the units, in SI system, what will be the units for latent heat of vaporization. The total phenomena we have studied today, what we are going to do means, we are going to determine the boiling point of liquid based upon activity. What does this activity exist? Material required. Main aim is what? Determine the boiling point of liquid. Material required is beaker, thermometer, glass rod, water, tripod stand, spirit lamp burner, stands we require there itself to perform this particular activity. Description. First of all, fix to two stands there itself. Fix a tripod stand, place, mount a beaker on surface of tripod stand. After mounting it on the surface of that one, fill it with up to half of the 3 by 4 to fill it with water and quantity of water just to add it up. Place a spirit lamp burner at the bottom of it and fix a glass rod as well as thermometer in the liquid and start heating. This is the description of this particular process. Coming to process, as we are heating procedure, as we are heating, water will be get heat up continuously. Note down water temperature for every 2 minutes. For every 2 minutes, note down the temperature. As we observe clearly, temperature rises. The temperature of water, what happens, gradually rises. Till it attain how many degrees? 100 degrees. How we can identify the mercury column which is existing in the thermometer will raise to a certain point, that is 100 degrees centigrade. After that, beyond 100 degrees centigrade, if we increase, there will be no change, no rise in temperature as heat is supplied continuously. As a result, what happened there? Bubblings will be get formed within the water at the edges of this particular thing, bottom of this one, as well as that bubbling slowly gathered to the surface of the liquid or water. That means what surface of the liquid takes place, boiling point of water will be taken place there itself. As the water is boiling continuously, bubbles will be gathered at the surface of this particular liquid. Take place, boiling point of water can be get obtained there itself. Why do this happen? If you see this water, why these bubbles are happening within this water? Let me come to it up. Water is nothing but what? A solution. Solution combination of what? Solute as well as solvent. Mixture of two substances that we are taken there. Whereas you have water, mixture of gases plus impurities. Therefore, water is called as solution. As we are heating continuously, the gases which are present in this particular water slowly rises up. Means what? The gases reduces, means what? The solubility of gases reduces gradually as the heat is supplied to this particular water which is existing in the beaker. As temperature increases, as heat is absorbing by the water, the gases reduces the solubility of that particular, mixing up with water, it slowly reduces gradually. Due to that reason, what happens there itself, evaporation of water takes place. Evaporation of water takes place due to which bubbles will be get formed, and that bubbles which are forming within the water will be will be absorbed by, or will be filled up by saturated vapor, as the pressure as well as temperature inside this particular beaker is gradually increasing. Pressure is increasing, simultaneously temperature is increasing. So what happened there? The absorbing of water vapor, saturated vapor by bubbles will be gradually increases. Due to that, as why pressure is increasing, temperature is increasing in the beaker, so that what happens? Saturated pressure will be absorbed by, will be filled up by these bubbles. And these bubbles, where they are coming on the surface of this particular layer. At one particular condition, what happens there? Pressure of saturated vapor will be equal to pressure of bubbles from outside. From outside, one pressure will be get acting upon the bubbles as they are coming up. As they are coming up, what happens from outside, certain pressure will be acting upon the bubbles. That bubbles pressure will be equal to pressure acting upon saturated vapor. Due to this reason, what happens there itself? These bubbles releases out saturated vapor. So that this process is nothing but what? Converting liquid into vapor is called as boiling point of the liquid. This is nothing but what? Boiling. This process or phenomena of extracting from a liquid a vapor substances is called as boiling point of liquid. A phase change of liquid to gases or liquid to vapor is nothing but what? Boiling point of vapor, or boiling point of water or liquid, we can call it up. By this we have completed our activity. Okay, children. Next topic is differences between evaporation and boiling point of liquid or any other substance. We have studied about evaporation as well as boiling point. In activity 10, we have studied about what of evaporation. Simultaneously, in activity 11, we have studied about what? Boiling point of a liquid. What is the major differences between these two things? Let me see it up. When it comes to evaporation is nothing but what? The process of escaping of molecules from the surface of water. From the surface of water, if I take a bowl, for example, I have taken a bowl here. Within this bowl, some liquid I have taken, spirit I have taken there. From the surface of water, if it is raising up, the molecules are escaping only from the surface of this particular water or a liquid at any temperature. At any temperature is called as evaporation. But whereas boiling point is nothing but what? A constant temperature. That means what? What is constant temperature here? 100 degrees centigrade is the constant temperature. At this temperature, phase change is taking place. Liquid is converting to vapor. Liquid is converting to what? Vapor. That is called as boiling point of any liquid or any substance there itself. Coming to second point, it takes place at all temperatures. Why means at any temperature we are given here. At any temperature indicates what? At all temperatures this evaporation process can be taken place. But here it is talking about a particular temperature. That particular temperature indicates definite temperature. The definite temperature is how much here? 100 degrees centigrade. 100 degree centigrade. Next one is what? When it comes to this particular evaporation, it takes place only on surface area. On the surface area only the evaporation is taking place. But whereas in boiling point, the total liquid what we have taken in this particular beaker is boiling. There itself. That is the difference, we can give it up. Next one is what? It occurs only by using what energy? Internal energy of the molecules. The energy which is existing inside the molecules, only it is using there itself. But whereas here, as the bubbles are combining with saturated vapor, they are coming onto the surface as well as from external source of heat by applying external source. Means what? Here internal energy is utilizing, here external energy we are utilizing from the source, from this particular source as it is observing, as it is allowing this particular water to be get boiled. Bubbles are gathered with saturated vapor. This saturated vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure acting upon the bubble. At that time, what happened? Vapor, saturated vapor will be segregated outside from the bubble in that particular way at constant temperature. What happened there itself? Liquid phase change of liquid to vapor is taking place. That is called as boiling point of any liquid there itself. These are the major differences what we have to keep in our mind between evaporation as well as boiling point. Children, try to analyze this particular concept much more clearly and try to get much more clearly regarding this topic. Thank you very much.